Welcome to our newest listing in South Jordan, Utah. This fully finished 6-bedroom, 3.5 bath has been meticulously maintained by the original owners. With a new roof, heating, cooling system, and stunning yard, this home is 100% move-in ready. Best part about this home is the location. Literally no backyard neighbors, 5-minute walk to the rec center, splash pads, shopping, Bingham High School. Come with me, let's go check it out. Property in person, come see us Saturday at our open house, March 9th, 11th, 1 o'clock.